So today is wash day. Anytime my hair is crusty like this, I always go in with my aloe vera juice, and I'm gonna show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. So when it gets to the point to where I can comb it and it's detangled somewhat, that's when I go ahead and go in and wash it because it makes everything easier. So I've been recording it. It took less than 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go wash it and I'll be back. 10:46 a.m. I'm finna blow dry my hair and figure out which way I want to style it while I'm blow drying it. So yeah, let's get into it. I think I want it down. I think I want some pulled back. And I think I want some crisscrosses. So let's do it! So I'm gonna do crisscross in the front, and then I'm gonna do twist out in the back. So stay tuned, because let's get into it. $11.25. either. So I want to show y'all basically how I'm taking it down. Go all out and untwist it, which I'm so excited. Not weighing it down, but look, y'all, I'm so excited. Edges, and I'll be right back. Bigger, I would have did a perm rod set. I think that would have made it like bigger if you want like all of it big. But I didn't know how I wanted to do my hair, so I think we got to a good stopping point. So I'll see y'all when I come back. I just came back from going out, so you know the edges they waving up or whatever. But look, it's so freaking cute. So yeah, it took no time, super easy, and blow dry didn't really help, but you can literally do this on your natural hair without a problem. So as always, I'm sending you positive vibes, peace, love, and prosperity. Until next time, bye bye.